Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now in this class we are moving towards the graphical representation of simple harmonic motion when particle starts from the extreme position. Okay, in previous class we have discussed about the particle when it starts from the mean position. It's a graphical representation of displacement, velocity and acceleration is over. Now in this class we are considering the condition that particle is starting from the extreme position. Then how to represent graphically. Okay. So when a particle starts from the extreme position, its initial phase will be pi by 2. So whenever a particle initially situated at extreme position, initial phase or epoch it will be pi by 2. That means alpha represented here is to be pi by 2. So what is the value of, or what is the equation of the displacement? X is equals to a sine omega t plus alpha. Now alpha is pi by 2. And as we know that from trigonometry identity, sine 90 plus theta is cos theta. So here sine pi by 2 plus omega t, that means sine 90 plus omega t, it is nothing but the cos omega t. So the equation turned to be now x is equals to a cos omega t. So the displacement equation changes here when it starts from extreme position, a cos omega t. Okay. Now we will use this equation for the graph. Now from this equation, let's find the velocity. Okay. So for the velocity, we are using again the previous concepts dx by dt. Okay. So a is constant now here for from the x dx by dt. A cos omega t च differentiation घ्यायचं आहे. A is constant. Cos of omega t, cos च differentiation minus sign असतं. Okay. So a minus a sin omega t, and again omega t is a function of time t, so its differentiation is omega. So velocity we are getting here minus a omega sin omega t. Okay. Now from this velocity finding acceleration. Okay, so we are finding acceleration here. Acceleration is dv by dt. Minus a omega remains constant. साइनचं डिफरन्सिएशन कॉस असतं आणि परत ओमेगा टीचं डिफरन्सिएशन एक ओमेगा आपल्याला मिळणार आहे. सो व्हॉट इज द फायनल एक्सप्रेशन फॉर ऍक्सिलरेशन? मायनस ए ओमेगा स्क्वेअर कॉस ओमेगा टी. ओके, मायनस साइन ऍज इट इज वरचा आलेला आहे. ए ओमेगा पहिलाच होता, इथल्या ओमेगा टीचा एक ओमेगा आला, सो ए ओमेगा स्क्वेअर अँड कॉस ओमेगा टी विल कन्वर्ट टू द साइन ओमेगा. सो हियर वी आर गेटिंग where acceleration as minus a omega square cos omega t. So we are finding here, we already have find here three equations for displacement, velocity, acceleration. Okay, now let's represent it with the graph. Now according to our concept, if we divide the total motion in 4 parts, for one oscillation, if time period required is represented by capital T, then if we divide it into 4 parts, then it will be 0, initial point 0, then t by 4, then t by 2, then 3t by 4 and the t. Means 1/4 each time. Initially 0, 1/4 of t, then t by 2, then 3t by 4 and last one is the t. And if we move further, then it will be 5t by 4. Okay. Now by using this, find phase. So initially I have discussed in the previous class how to find the omega t. Again, in short, I will revise here. Omega t, omega, the value of omega we have to substitute here 2 pi divided by time period t, 2 pi by t. And small t, each time we have to substitute these different values from the table. So whenever we substitute 0, we are getting omega t as a 0. When we substitute t as a t by 4, we are getting phase omega t will be pi by 2. So similar manner, the first 2 rows are same as per the previous expression, that is about the from the mean position. Okay, phase आणि time हे काही change होणार नाही. The change is only in the displacement, velocity and the acceleration. So what is phase omega t? 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. आणि इथे याच्यामध्ये एक एक्स्ट्रा घेतलेला आहे, दॅट विल बी द 5 pi by 2. Now from this omega t, we will find the different values for the displacement. So first we will find the displacement. Now as per the extreme position displacement equation is A cos omega t. So omega t चे values substitute करायचे. First it is 0. So whenever cos 0 it is 1. So displacement first value we are getting here A. Next cos 90 0. So next value we are getting 0. Next minus 1. Cos of 270 is minus 1. So next value we are getting minus A. Again a 0, then plus A. So alternate 0 we are getting, and amplitude A plus A minus A alternately we are getting. This is the table for the displacement. Below that I have represented in the one table the velocity and the acceleration. Find with the similar manner using the equation of velocity. What is the equation for velocity in for the extreme position? Minus A omega sin omega t. Okay. So substitute the value for omega t. Omega t 0, sin 0, 0. So the first term for velocity we are getting here 0. Next sin 90 1. 1 into minus A omega minus A omega. So the second term we are getting here minus A omega. Next 0 plus A omega. Then 0. So these are the points for the velocity. Similar find for the acceleration. Velocity acceleration equation, it is A is equals to minus A omega square cos omega t. So substitute values for omega t we are getting here. For first value 0, cos 0 is 1, minus A omega square, then 0, then plus A omega square, then 0, then last one is the minus A omega square. So these are the different values of displacement, velocity and acceleration at different times. So plot the graph with respect to time of these values. So first of all we'll draw the graph for the displacement with respect to time t. So as shown here, the displacement, the starting point, it is the A. So according to graph, the A will be situated at the upper position 0 and then the minus A. Okay. So when we starting the when we start the plotting the graph, the initial point we are getting here A. Means the graph is start from the A, not from the origin. Next 0, minus A, then 0, then plus A, then again 0. So in this way we are getting the curve, that means graph for the displacement. Okay. Now next draw for the velocity. Again we are using the same. The maximum velocity we are getting here A omega. So A omega 0 and minus A omega. For different time we plot the points. We are getting the points which are starting from the 0. कारण टेबल ऑब्झर्व करा, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट 0 आहे, नंतरचा पॉइंट मायनस ए ओमेगा आहे. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वी आर गेटिंग ऍट द बिलो ऑफ द ग्राफ. सो ग्राफ स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ओरिजिन 0 but it will move in the downward direction, minus A omega, then again 0, plus A omega, then again 0. So this is a sine curve we are getting for the velocity. Now if we start for the acceleration, for acceleration maximum we are getting the value of A omega square, minimum we are getting minus A omega square and the 0. So when we starting the graph, we will observe that this graph is start from the negative of the y-axis. So not from the origin, it will start from the negative of the graph minus A omega square. Okay. So graph will start from below, minus A omega square is the first point. Next is the 0, then plus A omega square, then 0, and then again the minus A omega square. So this graph represents here again the acceleration, and this is nothing but the cosine graph, cosine curve. So for extreme position we are getting cosine curve for displacement and for acceleration, and velocity here represents the sine curve. So these are the three representation of the concepts from the simple harmonic motion, velocity, displacement and the acceleration when a particle is in the simple harmonic motion. Okay. So from this graph, again we are getting some conclusions that represents the phase difference between the displacement, velocity and acceleration of the particle. Okay. So you go through these conclusions, you will get the clear idea about these graphs. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding these steps or this conclusion, please comment below. I will explain that. If you like our videos, share it.